Hello everyone, I am Dr. Sarfraz Karim. Today we are going to see chi-square test with the help of example, and we are going to test this chi-square with the help of SPSS as well. So this is the test of significance where we are going to see is there any relationship or association between two categorical variables. Categorical variables means it may be two nominal variables, it may be one nominal and one categorical variables. For example, when we are talking about the categorical variables, we want to see the relationship between gender and education. Is there is a difference between the gender and their education level, then we are going to test the chi-square. Same way, if we want to see is there is a difference between what you called as the any other categorical variable like is there any relationship between the gender and financial risk tolerance, is there any relationship between the service provider and satisfaction level, is there any difference between age and financial risk tolerance. So these all are the, can be tested by the chi-square test. Chi-square test is a non-parametric test. Non-parametric, and to understand the non-parametric and parametric, you have to see my parametric test and non-parametric test video. This test is also known as chi-square test of association, means relationship. Chi-square test come up in the wide variety of circumstances. The most common is in which the accessing the independence of two variable in a contingency table. Means how we are going to understand these things. We can understand these things with the help of example. Now, this is one of the for understanding these things. Let us move and see one of the example of the chi-square with the help of that one. See, the example which we are going to take it is this example of employee data.seb. This data set you can find into the SPSS software itself. Wherever this software is installed in your system, C drive or D drive, you can go to the path and in the sample folder, you can find this employee data.seb. I have already told in my previous videos how to open this employee data, or there are the lots of sample. So we are going to test our chi-square with the help of this employee data. First, this employee data. What to do it? First, we have to go to the analyze. Then we will click on descriptive statistics. Then we will follow the cross tabulation. Here, as I told you, this can be the like gender is one of the categorical variable in nominal variable, and education level is like this one. In this case, like if you can click, don't forget to click after statistics on chi-square. Here, say continue. Then in the cell also we will see like we want to see the percentage and total row column for that one. Then you can click on continue. Now you see here we want to see the relationship between gender and education level. Of course, when we are going to see the answer, just wait for the output window. You will see this output window. Here in the output window, this first one is all about the total number of respondent, and is 474. Now if you see here, they are the female 8 grade, 12 grade, 14 grade, 15 grade, 16. These all are the grade of education. So here, of course, by this one we can see there is a difference, like gender wise difference in the male and female. Total count, if you can see here, 8 grade, 12 grade, 6 grade. Is there any difference between the gender and education? How we can say about these things? Chi-square test, yes, difference is there. Why? Because the significance level is below 0.05, and we all know that if the significance level, this significance level is below 0.05, then we can say yes, there is a difference between male and female, and here the difference value is 96.856. so like this way we can say that yes, among the gender and education level there is a, if suppose if our hypothesis is like this, our null hypothesis, there is a no difference between male and female, or there is a no difference between gender and education level. We can test this one, and if the this thing is will come, we can say directly to that one by copying this table. We can write it, yes, there is a difference between gender and education label because the significance level is below 0.05. Let us see with the help of another example. One more example I'm going to take. Like there is one hypothetical example, like here, gender and color. There is one another example. This is the example of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 variables, and these all are the total number of respondent. You can see the last one. The total number of respondent is how many is total number? Mm. Total number is around 100, 150, I think so. 150 is there. 150. We want to know that. You see here, remember that you're not going to see the salary, IQ level, internet usage. These all are the scale level. We are talking about the like gender and education. Gender and is there any difference between gender and color? Means color preference. Is there any difference between gender and brand preference? So we can go and see like analyze. Same way, descriptive statistics. Then you can go to the cross tab, click on gender, then you can click on color preference and put over here, click on statistics, click on chi-square test or chi-square, then continue. Then in the cell you can only see the total percentage. That will give you some sense for that one. Then here, by clicking, after clicking this one, you will find the result, and here you can see the result. Gender of the respondent to the color preference of the respondent. Male 40% preferred, 40 male prefer white color, 28 female prefer white color. Percentage wise also you can see. To understand whether there is a difference or not, we can see over here. Here the chi-square test is above 0.051, 0.05. It here the significance is above 0.05. It is 0.0081. It means we can say there is a no significance difference between gender and color preference. Here it is visible, but it is negligible. This is very less. This is comparatively, it is not more than that one. So we can say easily say because of these things, value is also very less, 6.73737. So here we can say it's a insignificance for that one. So like this way we can understand the chi-square test. So let me come to the our PPT and let us complete it with the help of simply. So here we can, how we are going to, we will see that the analyze, descriptive statistics, cross tab, then select employee and minority classification, like in our case of education. So we have to click on that one, then click on continue. Then here you will see here we want to see the is there any relationship between employment category and minority classification, and you can see the chi-square is below 0.05. 0.000 is there, 76. It means there is a significance difference. How we can write it? Like this is the hypothesis. There is a no relationship exist on the categorical variable in the population. Like in our case, there is a no relationship exist on employee category and position. So and h1 is like this. So if value is less than 0.05, then it is the significance, except h1. If value is more than 0.05, then it is in not significance except h0. How we can write it? Like since the p value is lesser than our chosen significance, like our chosen signifies 95%, 0.05, we reject the null hypothesis. Rather, we conclude that there is enough evidence to suggest that there is an association between minority classification and employee category. And we can write like this. This is the way we can write our interpretation for that one. So this is all about chi-square test and its association. Thank you. So